Good morning, friends. As today we will discuss about BJT as an amplifier. BJT stand for bipolar junction transistor. BJT stand for bipolar junction transistor. Okay, bipolar means they're having two junctions. Okay, basically BJT is a bidirectional device. Okay, diode is unidirectional device and BJT is a bidirectional device. BJT conduct in two ways. Okay, BJT having three terminals. First terminal is base, second is collector, and then emitter. Okay, this is the base terminal, this is the collector terminal, this is emitter terminal. Okay, we can after before starting the lecture we know about the BJT. In BJT, if base is positive, okay, and emitter is always negative, or all is connected to ground. Okay, in that case, suppose positive supply is given to base of BJT, okay, or base terminal. In that case, this base is positive and this emitter is negative. Okay, during this conduction, and due to this, what happen? If this is positive and this is negative, this is called as forward bias. Okay, in forward bias, if signal is forward bias, then resistance across collector emitter or resistance across this BJT resistance is decreased. It means that if resistance is minimum, in that case maximum current is flow from input to output. Okay, so this is the one type of uh, just identification. Okay, if this terminal is forward bias, then resistance is decreased, then maximum current is grow from input to output. Okay, or vice versa. Okay, then we consider there in BJT amplifier there are having total uh, main some notations. Okay, and this notation we will explain as follow. B stand for base, this is base. Okay, C stand for collector, this is collector, and E stand for emitter. Okay, you can already consider, तुम्ही नेहमी लक्षात ठेवा की कलेक्टर हा वरती असतो, इमिटर हा खाली असतो. ओके, if already discuss about the base collector emitter or BJT functions during the basic electronics subject of first year. Okay, so this is just identification, and the main is VBE. This VBE is called as voltage across base emitter. This is VBE, voltage across base emitter, base and emitter, this voltage. Okay, this is called as VBE. Okay, another is small VBE. Okay, it means that small voltage at base emitter. If this small VBE is also we can identify that when a switch is closed, when switch is closed, in that case small VBE. Okay, if switch is if switch is uh, if switch is not closed. Okay, so this justification लक्षात ठेवा, जेव्हा हा स्विच आपण क्लोज करू. ओके, when switch is closed, then capital VBE, and when switch is open, in that case small VBE. Okay, when capital VBE is called as voltage as base emitter, this is large voltage, and when small VBE is called as small signal amplifier. Okay, small signal amplifier. When switch is closed, VBE, when switch is open, small VBE. ओके, म्हणजे जेव्हा आपण स्विच ऑफ केला त्यावेळेस जो स्मॉल करंट राहील त्याला म्हणतात स्मॉल सिग्नल, आणि ज्यावेळेस आपण स्विच ऑन केला त्यावेळेस जो करंट राहील तर तो राहील कॅपिटल VB, म्हणजे तो एक लार्ज सिग्नल झाला तो. ओके, दिस इज दी जस्ट आयडेंटिफिकेशन. And VCE is called as voltage across collector emitter. This is voltage across collector emitter. Okay, and then small VCE, it means that uh, small signal voltage when switch is closed. Okay, or when switch is open, then small VCE, okay, and when switch is closed, then capital VCE. This is just all these notations. Okay, then we consider the main operation. Okay, you can know about the sinusoidal wave. This is positive half cycle, this is negative half cycle. Okay, if anybody know, then uh, take a important note. In sinusoidal wave, the tremendous part, this is positive part and this is negative part. Okay, so our cases, our operations of BJT is divided into two main two main parts. That is when during positive half cycle, this case 1, and this negative half cycle, this is case 2. Okay, this explanation is very simple explanation for identification purpose is available for BJT as amplifier. खूप खूप छोटं ॲज एक्सप्लेनेशन आहे की जेव्हा पॉझिटिव्ह हाफ सायकल राहील ती केस 1 झाली, जे निगेटिव्ह हाफ सायकल झाली ती केस 2 झाली. खूप इझी आहे, फक्त तुम्ही थोडं लक्षपूर्वक ऐका. When consider that when during positive half cycle, okay, during this positive half cycle, this point, during positive half cycle, voltage across base emitter become forward bias. Okay, इथून suppose we consider the positive, this is considered negative, so this is forward bias. Okay, in that case, voltage across collector emitter, this voltage is increased. Okay, and resistance is decreased. Okay, forward bias means, in forward, what happen in forward bias, when switch is forward bias, then resistors decrease, voltage increase. Okay, Ohm's law, what is Ohm's law? V is equal to I R. Voltage is directly proportional to current and inversely proportional to resistance. It means that voltage increase, current increase. Okay, voltage increase, resistance decrease. Okay, this is a simple part, this is the Ohm's law. Okay, in that case, consider that resistance is decreased, then maximum voltage appear at load. So maximum voltage appear at load, this speaker is considered as load for identification purpose. When this forward bias, then VCE is also in, when VBE is forward bias, then voltage across collector emitter is increased, the resistance is decreased, then maximum voltage appeared at load. Maximum voltage appear at load, this is very important point. Okay, then VCE and VBE is equal. It means that VBE and VCE is equal, but the sinusoidal wave output will be changed. This is the sinusoidal wave output. Okay, this positive cycle during this positive half cycle, this positive half cycle strength will be changed. This is called as amplifier. So this total work just based on this main sentence. Okay, follow Ohm's law. Okay, this is very simple during positive half cycle. Okay, and let me see upon what happened actually at during negative half cycle. Okay, just before starting the negative half cycle case 2, you can also measure this output voltage. Okay, this output voltage by collecting the voltmeter. You have voltmeter or multimeter, MMM. Okay, DMM, sorry, DMM, digital multimeter connected across these 2 points. Then we can measure the output voltage is increasing or decreasing. Okay, so this is just a very small signal amplifier, and this working is very useful in by designing the amplifiers. Okay, then we consider case 2. What happened in case 2? during negative half cycle during negative half cycle, suppose this is negative, negative half cycle, negative negative. So this become reverse bias. This base emitter become reverse bias. Okay, and what actually happen ki what actually happen, this BGT act as a open switch. What actually tell, this BGT acts as a open switch. During case 1 BGT acts as a closed switch. In case 2 BGT act as a open switch. Okay, switching means this switching. BGT is just a switching which depend upon the base current. Okay, you have a manual switch in your home that you can press on or off the particular button. So this is manual, and this is the electronic switch, BGT, bipolar junction transistor. This is the digital switching devices. Okay, and this is the bipolar means two pole. Okay, this negative becomes reverse bias. Then BGT acts as a open switch. Then small amount of voltage is flow in during collector and emitter terminal. This is called as small VCE. Small VCE. In that case, actually what happen? Resistance is increase. We consider that when voltage increase, resistance increase. When voltage decrease, sorry, voltage increase, current increase. Voltage decrease, current decrease. Simple Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. Okay, when voltage increase, current increase, resistance decrease. This is the main point. Okay, another case, voltage decrease, current decrease, resistance increase. This is the another point. So in that case, what actually happen, this due to this VBE, this is reverse bias, because of during negative half cycle, mean this half cycle, this half cycle, the negative half cycle, negative reverse bias due to this BGT as a open switch and very small current flow through collector and emitter, and due to this resistance is increase, and due to this due to resistance increase, then very small signal at the load. So this is this load is particular work effectively during positive half cycle, and the very small current at on this load during negative half cycle. So in this way we can increase the input voltage by um, during using by using bipolar junction transistor or BGT as an amplifier. In this case BGT as amplifier will be work. Suppose this type of question will ask in your exam, so you can explain in this way. This is also considerable, but uh, you can just write something about these lines. Okay, these lines means I just use some flow chart for explanation. मी तुम्हाला समजण्यासाठी फ्लो चार्ट काढला आहे. हा एक फ्लो चार्ट आहे, हा एक फ्लो चार्ट आहे. But whenever you write in exams, then you can write by using ohm language. Okay, you can change your sentence or write like a paragraph. Okay, this total uh, flow chart is only for reminding. You can reminder all these things in your brain. Okay, so thank you. This is the total BGT as amplifier operation, and during next lecture we can explain as a CE amplifier. Okay, this is the very important topics. Okay, thank you for watching these videos.